Having trouble calling internationally with Total Wireless? It's often due to add-ons, dial codes, or blocks. First, ensure you have an active international calling add-on. These expire after 30 days, so check their status in the Total Wireless app. Make sure your core service plan is active. Next, dial the correct exit and country codes. For calls from the US, use 011 plus country code plus number. Incorrect codes are a common cause of call failures. Your call might be blocked due to fraud prevention, roaming restrictions, or issues with the destination itself. Use the Total Wireless app or dial 611 to check for blocks or restrictions. Make sure to restart the device and update carrier settings for best results. Keep in mind that there are options for unlimited calling add-ons that may suit your situation. If basic checks don't work, ensure your device is connected to the Total Wireless network and not using Wi-Fi calling, which may not support international calls correctly. Update your device's carrier settings. Contact Total Wireless support with your IMEI and any error logs for further assistance. Keep an eye on future trends. Total Wireless is integrating satellite roaming and AI-driven diagnostics for easier troubleshooting. As 5G expands, calling issues should decrease. Be aware that geopolitical tensions might lead to more blocks, and consider encrypted VoIP options for secure calls. Also, Total Wireless now has email reminders for expiring add-ons to reduce frustrations.